grab him in the mouth.
Is it on video?
Yeah. I filled my belly button up with mud.
Ew, it's gross.
It's kind of cold. Woo! Just a little bit.
Hey, look.
Look. She got a mustache.
Look over there.
Look. Look.
Look, behind
Okay,
you.
I see.
It missed.
I got a tumor. Look, it's a tumor. Or just an outie. I got an
You
outie.
sound like Travis.
I got an outie. Look, I got an outie. Oh God. I think I'm deformed.
No, not at all.
You got a tumor in your leg. Mole. Ooh, you got a mole.
Really?
I tried to grab it.
Do you like mud pies?
No. One time
Do
for
you
my
like them on your
birthday.
face?
No. But no, please don't, please don't. You're gonna get in my ass and I'm gonna die. Please don't, 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 please don't. Please don't, please don't, please don't. Face, what's it is? Yeah, one time for my birthday, Bobby made me a dirt cake.
You don't like dirt cake.
But like, this kind of dirt. Not that kind of dirt. What?
Don't you throw that in my face, girl.
I ain't throwing it in your face. I know, but I wouldn't want you to throw it in my face. Now, if you throw it in my face, it's going straight to your face. Big old clump. I mean, like I can take a shovel and throw it in your face.
Repeat that sentence, please.
I don't know what I
Clunk? What the heck is a clunk? I mean a big old clunk.
Shut up.
Like that?
What? That's not a clump. I mean, a big clump.
Clunk. I gotta look at the definition over there.
It may not be a word.
I don't think it is, honey.
Honey,
Don't please.
Go, honey. You be my honeysuckle. I'll be your honey bee. That's a big one. Doesn't that look good? You better stop. You better stop. Okay.
What? I didn't do it, idiot. Jeez.
Here.
Whenever you're ready to get out, just tell me.
Well, if you're ready, we can go.
I'm okay.
Because I'm ready if you're ready. Because you brought it up, so you must be ready. Look at Brown City.
Don't ever say that word again. Don't ever.
Oh, no, you hate it.
I hate that word. It's so gross.
But it's true. And it's like vagina and penis. It's all true. That's what it's called.
Oh.
What do you want me to call it? A bubula or something?
Yes.
A bubula?
This is a good one on Facebook.
Because you can't hear us. Jesus, Caden probably doesn't even see us. It's
All the
probably
videos we ever have, we need to put like on a CD.
Mhm.
We're gonna lose them. You know? But you're gonna get new phones and stuff. We need to put them on video. Oh my god, what is that?
The root. You be my honeysuckle, I'll be your honeybee. Now you put on my baby loose. If Forrest and Austin and Zachary come over here, they'd probably jump on us. If Forrest would.
Why?
Because we're in mud.
Kind of relaxing.
Old pillow it would be.
Yeah.
My back kind of hurts.
Yeah, my too. What in the world? My shorts are like way up there.
Yeah, you probably have dirt in places you don't want dirt.
I don't like feeling weed.
Nice, what are you gonna do?
She's not right.
You're not right. I'm pooping. It's diarrhea. Sorry, I've been with 5th graders all week. They were telling me stop. Well. What?
Okay, good. It was this. Okay, that scared me. I'm kind of ready.
Okay,
If you are.
I'm ready.
Okay.
You probably shouldn't take a bath, so no, I'm just back to keep an eye out for the boys. Oh, okay. I mean, we can sit on it. Well, I mean, we can go sit like on the concrete or something. What? Dirt in my mouth.
Wow, I'm extremely white. Embarrassing.
So mine now. Now I got oh my god, I got dirt in my pants.